How to forward video from Telegram private channel. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through that. So let's just get started. Open up the Telegram app on your device, and once you open up the Telegram, you may just head over and look out for the particular channel chat where the video is located. For example, let's say this is the particular channel I have. So if you would like to forward the video, the thing is the channel's admin should have given the permission to do so. So if the channel's admin has enabled the permission to forward the video, you may basically locate the video that you would like to forward. After that, click on the three dot at the top once you find the video, and you should be finding a menu appearing. Look out for the forward option. And once you do so, you can select up where you would like to forward it. For example, I would like to forward it here. After that, you can even add up a message if you prefer and tap on send. And when you do so, the message will be forwarded in Telegram. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to forward a video in Telegram, even though it is a private or a public channel, you may head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.